Question number 13. It says a star-connected 400 volts 50 Hz 4-pole synchronous machine gave the following open circuit and short circuit test results. So the first part is open circuit test. So the results are that the open circuit voltage is 400 volts RMS and line to line at field current IF of 2.3 amps. Now the short circuit test results are the short circuit current at 10 amps RMS phase at field current IF of 1.5 amps. Now they have asked us to find out the value of the per phase synchronous impedance in ohms at rated voltage. Okay, so this is not a multiple choice question. Let's see what we get. So first, let's take a look at the results that are for the open circuit test. So the open circuit test, it is given that the open circuit voltage is 400 volts line to line. So the first step here is to calculate what the phase value of this voltage would be. If VOC is given as 400 volts RMS line to line, then VOC phase value is 400 divided by root 3. Now 400 divided by root 3 gives us a value of 230.94 volts. Okay? So now we have the voltage in terms of phase value. So the next step is to calculate the base impedance. Let me just grab another sheet of paper here. Okay. So now calculating the base impedance. Base impedance Z base. Okay, so the formula is VOC divided by ISC, the voltage, open circuit voltage divided by the short circuit current. So what are the values? 230.94 divided by 10. And that gives us base impedance value of 23.094 ohms. Okay, so the question tells us to find out the synchronous impedance at rated voltage, right? So in order to do that, we will have to take the ratio of the short circuit to open circuit portion, which is actually called the maturation effect. So this has to be considered. Let's be very careful with the ratio here. So the actual value of Z, the synchronous impedance, ZS, at rated voltage is what we will have to find. So please take a very close look at this. Let me write this down. Okay, so here we are going to write down the ratio of the short circuit to open circuit. Okay, this is in order to find synchronous impedance at rated voltage. Okay, so ZS is equal to the field current for short circuit test divided by the field current for the open circuit test times the base impedance. This is the equation or the formula that we will have to use in order to find out the synchronous impedance. Okay, so now let's note down the values from the question given to us. So what is IF for the short circuit test? We have IF as 1.5. So that's 1.5 divided by the field current for open circuit test. What is that? 2.3. 2.3 multiplied by the base impedance 23.094. Now if you solve this, you will get a value of 15.06 ohms. This is our final answer. So let me just write that down in the space here, 15.06. Well, this is the solution and I hope it has helped.